Hello friends, Santosh here. How are you all? I hope you all are good and healthy. Okay friends, today we continue with topic earthquake. Okay. Classification on the basis of depth of volcano. Okay. First one is normal depth, focus or solo. Okay. And second one is mid depth. And last one is maximum depth focus. Okay. First we discuss what's the meaning of depth. Okay, depth means the distance down either from the top of something to the bottom or to the distance below the top surface of something. Okay. Now, first one. Okay. Normal depth. Okay. Normal depth is a shallow, means having only a short distance from the top to the bottom. Okay. Now, first point, the depth of focus between 0 to 50 kilometer. Second point, they mainly occur due to folding and faulting of earthquake. Okay, folding and faulting means, first we discuss folding. Okay, folding is the pressure of converging plates causing the crust to the fold and buckle, resulting in the creation of mountains and hills. On other sides, faulting is where cracks in the earth rock are created because of different movement of tectonic plates. Okay, last point, they are also known as tectonic earthquake and they are highly destructive. Okay, now we discuss mid depth. The depth of focus between 50 to 250 kilometer. They mainly occur due to convergence of plate. Okay, convergent boundary are the areas where plates move towards each other and collide. Okay, now last point is they are also known as tectonic earthquake. As we all know in my previous videos that what's a tectonic earthquake. As we all know, tectonic earthquake occur when the strains in the rock masses have accumulated to a point where the resulting stress exceeds the strength of the rocks and sudden fracturing result. Okay, now last one, maximum depth focus. Okay, the depth of focus between 250 to 750 kilometer. They mainly occur due to radioactive energy or atomic explosion in the deep earth. Okay, radioactive activity is the act of emitting radiation spontaneously. This is done by an atomic nucleus that for some reason is unstable. It wants to give up some energy in order to shift to a more stable configuration. Okay, now last point is they mainly occur in fold mountain region. Okay, fold mountain are the created where two or more of Earth's tectonic plates are pushed together at this colliding, compressing boundaries. Rocks and debris are wrapped and folded into rocky outcrops, hills, mountains, and entire mountain ranges. Some of the key structures in fold mountains are Naples, for example, like the Himalayas, Andes, and the Alps. Okay, now causes of earthquake, man-made and natural causes. Okay, now first we discuss man-made. Okay, first point, due to mining. Second point, due to nuclear test and atomic explosion. And last one is reservoir construction. Okay, now natural causes. First one, due to faulting and folding of rocks, and second point is due to volcano eruption. Third point, isostatic disbalance. Next, fourth point is their expansion in below earth. Elastic reburn theory of Reid. Okay, this theory is in geologic, the elastic reburn theory is an explanation for now energy is released during an earthquake as the earth crust deforms. The rocks which span the opposite sides of a fault are subjected to shear stress. Slowly they deform until their internal rigidity is exceeded. This theory given by Manry Fielding Reid, professor of geology. Okay, now plate tectonic earthquake. Okay, destructive plate margin and earthquake. Okay, first one is continental convergent plate. Okay, Example, mid-continental plate. Second one is oceanic continental convergent plate. Example, Pacific ring of fire. Okay. Now last one is oceanic plate convergent. For example, island of Honshu, earthquake come in Japanese earthquake. Okay. Now transform plate margin and earthquake. When two plates collides with each other, so transform plate margin occur between them. Okay friend, look at the diagram. They go upside and this plate go downwards. Volcanic eruption does not occur with the boundary because there is no subduction of any plate, but sometime their boundary is locked. Earthquake occur on the basis of elastic ribbon theory. For example, St. Andrews fall in California. Okay. Worldwide distribution of earthquake and volcano. Earthquake and volcano mainly found in 4 belts in the world. First one is ring of fire. Second one is mid-continental belt, mid-oceanic belt. Fourth one is intraplate region. Okay. Now we first discuss ring of fire. Okay. It is the highest earthquake volcano and tsunami proof zone. The starting of this belt from Antarctica, Erebus Island and the Andes, Rocky, Alaska Mountain and in Eurasian Costa, Kamchatka Peninsula of Russia, Kuril Island, Japanese Group Island, Philippines Island, Eastern Group Island and New Zealand Group Island, and its reach into the Antarctica Island. It is a destructive plate margin region, John D. Fuca plate and Nazca plate subducted into the North American plate and South American plate, and the Pacific plate subducted into a erosion and the Japan plate. Okay, now we discuss mid-continental belt. Okay, this plate started from Azores Island in Atlantic and from the Cantabrian Mountain between Spain and France, Pyrenees Mountain, Alps Mountain, Turkey, Afghanistan and Pakistan, Hindu Kush, Himalayas between India and Nepal, Arakan Yomo in Nepal, group of Indonesia island, and they converted ring of Pacific near Eastern Island. It is the second largest earthquake volcano tsunami prone zone, and in this belt two continental belts strike to each other, Indian and African plate subducted into Eurasian plate. Okay. Okay, third one, mid-oceanic belt. Okay, mid-oceanic plate or a mid-Atlantic plate. It means in this belt, mid-Atlantic ridge and mid-oceanic ridge and small ridge of Pacific are included in this ridge. This is a constructive plate margin area. That's why which type of volcano occur in this belt. Okay, now last one is intraplate region. In intraplate region, all the rift areas and hot spots area include in this belt. For example, like USA, California, St. Andrews Fall, Great African Rift Valley, Hawaii hotspot, Reunion hotspot, etc. Okay friend, thank you very much for watching my videos. Okay friends, bye bye, see you again in my next video. Okay, bye bye.